Imagine a food so powerful that, when incorporated into your daily diet, transforms your health in a surprising way. We're talking about garlic, a simple ingredient with extraordinary effects. Did you know that something so common in your kitchen could be a treasure for your heart health? First, let's delve into the fascinating world of the human heart. The heart, that tireless machine, pumps life through our bodies every second. But what if I told you that garlic could be one of its greatest allies? That's right, scientific studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can bring incredible benefits to your heart. But how does it work? And what are these benefits we're talking about? Now, get ready to uncover one of the greatest mysteries of natural health. Have you ever stopped to think about the impact a simple food can have on your life? By including garlic in your diet, you're not only enhancing the flavor of your meals but potentially saving your own life. Does it sound dramatic? Perhaps, but the facts speak for themselves. Let's explore together these 10 incredible benefits of garlic, proven by science. And make no mistake, we're not just talking about minor improvements. Garlic is a true hero in the world of cardiology. With each revealed benefit, you'll see how a simple daily gesture can bring significant changes to your health. But wait, there's more. In addition to improving heart health, garlic has other tricks up its sleeve. You'll be surprised to discover how this food can positively influence different aspects of your health. Are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery and transform your life with a simple yet powerful garlic clove? Let's go! The first scientifically proven benefit of daily garlic consumption is its remarkable ability to improve cardiovascular health. This positive effect on the heart and circulatory system is primarily attributed to the presence of sulfur compounds, such as allicin, found in garlic. When we consume garlic, these compounds are released, exerting a profound and beneficial impact on our bodies. In the medical view, garlic acts as a natural agent for reducing blood pressure. Studies have shown that garlic can dilate blood vessels, thereby improving blood flow and reducing pressure on the arteries. This property is especially valuable for people suffering from hypertension, a condition that significantly raises the risk of heart diseases and strokes. Regular garlic consumption has proven to be a simple and effective way to keep blood pressure levels under control, thereby contributing to a healthier heart. Furthermore, garlic also plays a role in lowering cholesterol. Studies indicate that garlic can reduce LDL cholesterol levels, known as bad cholesterol, without significantly affecting HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. This ability to modulate the lipid profile in the blood contributes to the prevention of plaque formation in the arteries, one of the leading risk factors for atherosclerosis and heart attacks. Therefore, incorporating garlic into your diet can be an efficient and natural strategy to strengthen heart health and promote longevity. The second benefit of daily garlic consumption, scientifically proven, is its impressive ability to strengthen the immune system. This powerful effect is a direct consequence of the natural antibacterial and antiviral properties that garlic possesses. When we include garlic in our regular diet, we are, in fact, arming our bodies with a natural defender against various types of infections and diseases. From a medical perspective, garlic is a true warrior in the fight against pathogens. It contains compounds like allicin, which form when garlic is crushed or chewed. These compounds are responsible not only for the characteristic aroma of garlic but also for its powerful antimicrobial properties. Studies show that garlic can combat a wide range of bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. This makes it a valuable ally, especially during flu and cold seasons, helping to reduce the severity and duration of these illnesses. Furthermore, garlic is also known for its stimulating effect on the immune system. This means that it not only directly fights microorganisms but also helps the body strengthen its own defenses. This is particularly useful for boosting the body's resistance to infections and speeding up recovery. Consuming garlic regularly can be a simple and effective way to keep your immune system strong, which is essential for overall health and preventing a variety of diseases. The third significant benefit of daily garlic consumption is its ability to improve bone health. Surprisingly, garlic contains compounds that can help increase estrogen levels in women, which is crucial for maintaining bone strength and health. This is especially beneficial for postmenopausal women, who are at a higher risk of developing osteoporosis due to the natural decrease in estrogen levels. Studies indicate that garlic can not only reduce bone loss but also increase bone mineral density. Including garlic in your diet can, therefore, be an effective strategy to prevent or slow down the development of bone diseases. The fourth, and no less important, benefit is garlic's ability to assist in the detoxification of heavy metals in the body. Garlic has high levels of sulfur, an element that helps protect against damage caused by heavy metals. In workplaces exposed to heavy metals like lead, garlic has been shown to significantly reduce the levels of these metals in the blood. Additionally, garlic has been associated with protective effects against organ damage caused by heavy metal toxicity, including liver and kidney protection. This benefit is extremely relevant in a world where we are constantly exposed to a variety of environmental toxins. Consuming garlic regularly can be a natural and effective way to support the body's detoxification mechanisms and promote overall health. The fifth notable benefit of regular garlic consumption is related to its positive impact on mental health. Recent research has revealed that garlic can have a protective effect against cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. This is due to the powerful antioxidants found in garlic, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors that significantly contribute to brain aging. These antioxidants not only protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals but may also stimulate the production of new brain cells, a process known as neurogenesis. Thus, including garlic in your diet can be an effective strategy to maintain brain health and cognitive function as you age. The sixth benefit, related to physical performance, is equally impressive. Historically, garlic was used to reduce fatigue and enhance people's work capacity, especially in ancient cultures. Today, scientific studies have confirmed that garlic can indeed improve athletic performance. It does so by increasing the efficiency of oxygen utilization by the body and reducing the sensation of fatigue during physical exercise. Additionally, garlic has been associated with improved heart function, which can contribute to better physical performance and faster recovery after intense workouts. For athletes or physically active individuals, adding garlic to their diet can be a natural way to enhance physical performance and endurance. The seventh benefit of daily garlic consumption lies in its ability to improve skin and hair health. This advantage stems from garlic's rich composition of antioxidants and sulfur compounds. These components are essential in the fight against free radicals, which can cause premature aging and damage to the skin and hair. Garlic, by providing powerful antioxidant protection, helps maintain younger and healthier-looking skin, reducing signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, its antibacterial and antifungal properties contribute to scalp health and can prevent and treat various conditions like dandruff. Thus, garlic not only promotes internal health but also positively reflects on external appearance, contributing to healthier and revitalized skin and hair. If what I shared so far has resonated with you, I have something special that will interest you. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your life and start living your healthiest self today. By acquiring the ebook Secrets to Unshakable Health, you will have a guide with practical and proven strategies for living a longer, disease-free life. Click on the link in the first pinned comment and discover the path to lasting and robust health. The eighth benefit is improved nutrient absorption. Garlic plays a significant role in optimizing the absorption of some essential nutrients, especially minerals like iron and zinc. These elements are crucial for various bodily functions, including immunity and cellular health maintenance. Garlic enhances the bioavailability of these minerals, making them easier to absorb by the intestines. This occurs thanks to the sulfur compounds present in garlic, which interact with minerals and increase their solubility, making them more accessible to the body. This nutrient absorption enhancing effect is a crucial aspect of garlic, especially for people who may have nutritional deficiencies or absorption issues. Thus, including garlic in your daily diet not only provides its own nutrients but also helps the body better utilize nutrients from other food sources. The ninth benefit of garlic, often underestimated, is its ability to assist in regulating blood sugar levels. This is especially relevant for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Garlic has shown to have a beneficial effect on blood glucose levels, helping to keep them within a healthy range. This happens because the active compounds in garlic can improve insulin sensitivity, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar. By increasing insulin effectiveness, garlic helps the body use glucose more efficiently, thus reducing blood sugar spikes after meals. From a medical perspective, the importance of this benefit is considerable. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for preventing the long-term complications of diabetes, such as nerve, kidney, and eye damage. Furthermore, proper blood sugar regulation is essential to avoid hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia, which can be dangerous conditions. Including garlic in your daily diet can, therefore, be a simple and natural strategy to assist in glycemic control, especially when combined with other treatments and a balanced diet. This makes garlic a valuable ally not only for diabetics but for anyone seeking to maintain balanced metabolic health. The 10th benefit of regular garlic consumption, and one of the most surprising, is its role in the prevention of certain types of cancer. Several scientific studies have indicated that garlic has anti-cancer properties, potentially reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, such as stomach, colon, and esophageal cancer. The sulfur compounds present in garlic, particularly allicin, are largely responsible for this effect. They not only help neutralize carcinogenic substances but also promote DNA repair and induce the death of cancer cells, a process known as apoptosis. From a medical perspective, garlic's impact on cancer prevention is of great significance. It acts in various ways to protect against the development of cancer cells. First, it reduces the formation of cancer-causing compounds in the body. Additionally, garlic stimulates the immune system, enhancing the body's ability to combat the growth of cancer cells. It's also important to highlight that garlic has anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial in the fight against cancer, as chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for the development of many types of cancer. Therefore, incorporating garlic into the diet can be an effective dietary strategy to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, contributing to a longer and healthier life. And so we conclude our incredible journey exploring the 10 scientifically proven benefits of garlic. We have seen how this small yet powerful food can bring significant transformations to our health, from improving cardiovascular function and strengthening the immune system to preventing chronic diseases and enhancing mental health. Garlic proves to be more than just a seasoning. It's a true superfood capable of positively impacting various aspects of our health. Remember, small dietary changes can lead to significant improvements in health and quality of life. Including garlic in your daily diet can be a simple yet effective step toward a healthier lifestyle. Of course, it's always important to consider medical recommendations, especially if you have specific health conditions or are taking medications. We want to hear your opinion. Have you experienced any of these garlic benefits? Do you have any special recipes or tips to share? Leave your comments below. We love to hear your experiences and tips. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Health Dose channel. Here, we will continue to provide valuable and reliable information about health and well-being, always backed by science. Thank you for watching, and until next time.